So 36 degrees right now in Hollister and Watsonville. We do have some reports of some frost. In fact, Rosalie in Ben Lomond said at 34 degrees and definitely seeing that frost this morning. So we do have a frost advisory for our mountains and in inland valleys for those temperatures in the mid 30s. Mid 20s up at Lake Tahoe, talking about that snow. So there are those cool temperatures that they are grateful for to keep that snow we received the last couple of days, and then keeping temperatures in the afternoons only in the 30s and 40s. For today, and then getting even cooler this weekend with another system coming our way. This system could bring some rainfall locally, very, very light, nothing like what we saw earlier this week, and snowfall similarly, maybe just a little bit here or there, but nothing too impressive. However, the cold air is going to help with that snowpack, and then also for them developing more snow, artificial snow that is, and then naturally we'll be staying cool. Now we do warm up a little bit by the middle of the week for Wednesday into Thursday. Then even colder air looks to come through next weekend. It looks dry, but maybe chilly. Temperatures for today, lots of 60s, very similar to yesterday. Most importantly, we have snow, natural snow that's going to be with us, looks like for the next week or so because of those cold temperatures. So that's also going to help with making artificial snow once some of this starts to melt off. But look at that going all the way down the Sierra Nevada from Northern California all the way down past Yosemite. And then also look at that in the Rockies received multiple feet of snowfall as well. So taking a look at that snow cover in California, you can see zooming in some of those totals, very impressive. This is what still remains after that storm system that brought rain and snow earlier this week. So 3 feet or so in many of those resorts. And then you can see about 10 inches. So around a foot still at some of those lower levels. So around 6,000 feet at Lake Tahoe at lake level. So thankfully, cold temperatures are going to help keep that snow around 44 right now at Lake Tahoe for this afternoon, staying in the 40s. And then as we go through this weekend, we actually have another front coming through. That's going to bring even cooler temperatures, again, to help keep that snow around. Paul?
Okay, what is thunder snow?
Well, as you can guess, it's when it's snowing, but you also get thunderstorms. It does happen in late fall, early spring when it's cold, but still some lift out there.
I guess it's a little self-explanatory.
Yeah, but yeah, you got to think about it. Unfortunately, I never heard thunder snow in Arkansas. It happened while I was there. I was asleep and I missed it. See, I can't sleep during any weather events.
You were on vacation for all the rain that we had, and in Arkansas, you missed the thunder snow.
I know, it's okay. Maybe I'll have an opportunity again. With our frost advisory that you can see we had earlier this morning in California, I've been seeing other meteorologists really recommending heavy coats, all the winter gear up in the northern tier with this cold system. So in North Dakota, you can see under that snow, that orange, that was the blizzard warning that they had yesterday. It continued into Minnesota. Now they're seeing that system weaken just a bit, but actually going to interfere with Nicole. So this is what was a hurricane, now a tropical depression, bringing that moisture up the eastern part of the U.S., up the mountains, bringing some flooding conditions there, tornadic activity in yellow in parts of North Carolina earlier today, and now making its way into Virginia. And then those two are going to collide, bringing some snow up to parts of Pennsylvania and into upstate New York as well, also bring them the cooler air. Look at this, 2 degrees is what it feels like right now in Bismarck, North Dakota. They got all that snowfall, now the snowpack, plus that cold air, making it feel chilly. Even feels like 39 in Portland, Oregon right now. Yeah, that's pretty cold. Actual temperature in the teens in some of those coldest areas, still in the 70s ahead of that system, but not for long. That cold air will move by. Here's another look at Nicole. You can see that finally leaving the south alone and then quickly moving up the mountains. So that is the one good thing with that system, is that it is rather quick. As for us, 50s, upper 50s for Salinas right now, very similar to where you were yesterday at this time. So yesterday, Salinas actually got up to 64 degrees. I think we're going to see right around the same range for today. Temperatures for today right around where you were yesterday at this time, meaning mid, upper 50s. By the peak of the afternoon, that means some 60s. 61 for San Jose, 59 San Francisco. Temperatures in the Santa Cruz Mountains expected to be in those upper 50s to 60s. No, it's been colder than normal though.
Yeah.
I mean, near record-breaking temperatures in those mid-40s, and because we don't get that this time of
I
year.
still pinch myself though, that I'm so lucky to live here. I always think I'm dreaming.
I agree, especially when we're saying how cold 40s are.
Yes, I know. All right, Gina, thank you so much.
Really nice outside,
Yeah.
seeing lots of sunshine. We did.
It's a Friday.